y'all, and welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we are going to be doing some spoilers. I'm going to tell you everything that you're going to be getting in your September of 2019 BoxyLuxe subscription box. If you guys love spoiler videos, please let me know down in the comments and I will continue to do them, and what spoilers you guys would like to see on my channel. And if you guys haven't entered my giveaway that I have right now, I will put a card up here and I'll link it down below. I'm giving away the Jeffree Star Mystery Liquid Lip Shade from his Summer Mystery boxes. I'm also giving away the ColourPop Strawberry Shake Palette, and those two are so beautiful. So if you haven't entered already, please go enter. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and hit the little bell notification so you are aware of when I upload. And yeah, I guess that's it, and I'm gonna start going on into the spoilers, the full shebang of BoxyLuxe for the month of September. So let's get it. Also, during this video, please don't stare at my scratch on my face. My sweet little Eleanor, she scratched me last night during playtime. A naughty little thing. Yes, you are. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, lady. I'm talking to you. This is the pretty little lady that scratched my face last night. Her name is Eleanor. I call her Ellie sometimes, but she's my little corn dog baby. Yes, it's because she looks like a corn dog. Okay, I have hair stuck to the chapstick on my lips. Also, don't mind the ball sack hairstyle that I got going on today. I just don't care. I don't care. So we're doing ball sack, trucker hat, t-shirt kind of day. So don't mind that. Go get your toy. Go on. So anyways, let's get on to the spoiler, since I have played with my dog a little too long for this video. Unless you love little puppies, then I didn't play with her long enough. Okay, so the newest spoiler that we know about is from STILA. This is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and the value is $22. You'll be getting either Patina Shimmer Shimmering Dusty Rose, Rubino Deep Red, or Angelo, which is a Soft Peach Nude. Oh my god, it doesn't matter what shade I get, I'm going to love them. I did upgrade to the BoxyLuxe. Okay, if you guys aren't aware, BoxyLuxe is a subscription box you get every 3 months that you can add onto your BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm's $21 a month. BoxyLuxe is $50 every 3 months. So I guess that's what Ipsy's tried to compete with, is a $50 box, but to do it monthly instead of every 3 months. So yeah, but these STILA lipsticks are pretty cute, okay. The next item is from IGK. This is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So everybody's going to be getting this, and they'll be getting the STILA. So you will get a STILA Stay All Day lipstick, and you're going to be getting the Hydrating Hair Balm, which I need hydration for this ball sack. So we're pretty... Am I going to be demonetized for saying ball sack? I hope not. I love that word. Anyways, I think the packaging is so cute. You have the marble on the bottom, and then the champagne-y bubbles fizzling on the top. Super cute. I'm pretty excited about this. So thumbs up for hydrating hair balms. So the next thing that you'll be getting, you'll either get the Violet VOSS Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. It's a 10-pan palette. Or you're going to get the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and the value is up to $45. So I looked up the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and that one does retail for $45. But the Violet VOSS Essentials palette, I couldn't find the Essentials anywhere on the internet, but I could find all of the other palettes, and they retail for $18. So I would assume the value on the Violet VOSS palette is $18. So your value there, if you get that palette, is going to drop down a lot versus getting the face shaping palette from Tarte. But there's more items coming up, so don't you worry. Don't you worry. Both of these palettes are beautiful. I kind of would rather, I think, have the Essentials because it looks like it would have more, it has more fall colors in it. So I think I would rather have that than the face palette, honestly. Now, the next one is you can either get the, is it SUTRA Beauty? We're going to say SUTRA because we don't know how to pronounce words on this channel. So the SUTRA Beauty 32mm clipless curling iron, or the Moda Studio by Royal and Langnickel 8-piece brush kit. I won't be displeased with getting the brushes. I think getting the curling iron would be really cool. I have 2 curling irons. I don't really curl my hair, but I kind of feel like I should start like looking a little bit presentable in life. So if I get the curling iron, I might use it. I might gift it though for Christmas, because a lot of these, if you don't really want them, give them for Christmas gifts. People will love you. You'll be the best gift giver, okay? But if I get the face brushes, well, it's face and I guess eyeshadow brushes, I won't be displeased at all because I welcome brushes with open arms because I don't like cleaning them very often, so I like to have a lot of brushes so I can prolong my eyeball, eye face experiences with, what am I saying? Anyways, so yeah. The next items you'll probably be getting, the first is from Spongel Mani Pedi Treatment and Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser in black. So you're not only getting a Mani Pedi treatment, but you're getting a water bottle with an infuser. So that's pretty cool. I don't use water bottles with infusers, so I'll probably gift that if I get it. Also, you could get the Tarte Park Avenue Chisel Palette. I kind of don't want this because it looks more warm toned in this picture and I don't think it will actually work well with my skin tone, so I hope I don't get it, but if I do, again, I can gift it. And or the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, which this one, it looks really beautiful. It looks like something I would use, so if I get that, I'm gonna be happy too. It says that these are valued up to $45, and I know the Park Avenue Princess has been in the BoxyLuxe before, but don't you worry. BoxyLuxe did say that if you have gotten this stuff before that they're giving out this time, there's a slim chance you'll receive it again. So if you've already gotten it, I'd probably cross that off your list. You're not going to get it. You'll probably get the bottle or the natural face palette, so don't you worry. Eleanor, quit hitting my camera stand. And the next thing that you'll be receiving is either the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream or the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum, and the value is up to $65 on that. And I know that these both are very pricey products. I've never tried anything from either one, so I would be excited for either one that I get, though I kind of want the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum to brighten up this scaly face of mine. So yeah, I don't really want to look like a dragon, so I want to put this Pineapple C Bright Serum on my scales. So yeah, but I mean, the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream is the same thing, I'm sure, because it's a brightening cream, but I kind of want the pineapple one because I'm curious if it's going to smell like pineapple, and I love pineapple, so, you know, there's that. Actually, I didn't like pineapple at all until I got pregnant, and then I loved pineapple ever since, so, yeah. Little tidbit of information about me. And then lastly, we don't know what this is, but you'll also receive 2 additional expertly curated items with your September BoxyLuxe. So that's the only one we're not getting spoilers on, so we don't know what we're getting, which I'm like, oh my god, what am I gonna get? Because this is my first BoxyLuxe that I'm getting, so I'm not sure what items I would even think would be coming up in this box. I don't even think I've watched BoxyLuxe unboxings. I know I've seen a few from Porcelain, but I don't remember what she's gotten. So I can't even imagine what the other 2 items could be, because we already have, what is it, face serums, lots of palettes. You're gonna get like 2 palettes in here, or a water bottle, and a curling iron. That's insane. And a big set of brushes, and a STILA Sale Day lipstick, a hair mask. You're getting so much good stuff in here, and I wasn't going to upgrade to BoxyLuxe until I got this email yesterday, and I was just like, you know what? I didn't want it before, but now I do. They have a STILA lipstick in here, you know, and if I don't like anything, I have instant Christmas gifts, so yeah, I just like to give, or I could do a giveaway. We'll have to see, because I eventually want to do monthly giveaways on this channel once I have the funds to do that, because I don't know, I'm just a giver, so I don't know, but you're so cute down there. Anyways, that's it for the BoxyLuxe September spoilers. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully, if you're getting this box, you are as impressed as I am, because I'm pretty impressed with this box. And if you haven't subscribed to it yet and you want to subscribe to it, hurry up. There's limited availability, so get it while it's good for the getting. Oh, it's thundering. I think it's about to storm. Did I roll my windows up? I think I did. Oh, she hears the thunder. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, she wants to play. So vicious. She's so vicious. She's so vicious. Oh, she's so vicious. She's so vicious. This is how she plays. She likes to growl a lot. Like, I've had this scratch on my arm for like ever. I have these. It's just, she's an intense little player. Alright. Okay, get down. I'll get down.